if you want to check the activation date on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can open settings. Now, usually on different smartphones, you can go to battery settings and find the information about the battery, and then over there you can find the date of first use or something like that, which can be a good indicator of the first sign in or first like an activation date in general. Unfortunately, on this phone, it is not possible to get this information about the battery, or at least it seems that it is not available in the battery settings. But what you can do instead is you can go to the Google option or Google services once you go to the settings. Now over here we're gonna tap on our Google account, and then we're gonna choose Google account. And we can use our Google account in order to check the first sign-in date. Over here we're gonna go to security and sign in, and then search for your devices, and you should be able to find sessions on Android phones. So we're gonna select it, and then you should be able to choose your OPPO Reno 15. So let's select it. You will probably have to verify yourself with a screen lock password, or biometrics of course. And then we have the first sign-in date, as you can see over here. Now keep in mind that this date can be treated as an activation date. If you used this specific Google account that you use right now to sign into your phone when you first got it. If you signed into that account later on, or if you had to log out or remove the account and then log in again, then of course this information might not be really valid. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.